why Daddy's doing some editing. Huh?
So like I said in the last video, we are going to the junkyards today. I want to see if I can get some scrap. I know I'm not going to find a cat for this, but I'm going to look anyways, just in case. I don't think they'll sell it to me, even if they do have one. But I need a couple trim pieces. I'd like to find another grill for this, and a couple other things. So we're just going to look around. I don't remember the last time I went seeing any Subarus like this. But I'm going to look anyways. Hopefully I can find something or something compatible for the pieces that I need. We're going to take the truck. It's almost beanie weather. And if anybody's wondering why my energy levels are down in the last 2 episodes, my wife has me doing this detox, and I have not had caffeine all week. So I'm a little grouchy. Just a little bit. Alright, so we are in. We got a couple hours till they close, and I don't need any big pieces that I know of. Hopefully I don't need any big pieces. So they told me to go ahead in and go up on the hill, and I guess we're gonna see what kind of inventory they have. So bingo, it's a hatch, but I'll come back down to it. I see the motor's already pulled, which I'm not really interested in anyways. But look at that fender. That fender is good. I'm taking that. I'm taking that fender. Yes. Great. I'm gonna come back to that one. I'm gonna keep looking and see what else there is. I think that's even the same color as the car. Like, it's the right color. That's awesome. Let's keep looking.
Kitty cat, where are you going? Hey, kitty cat. Kitty cat, what are you doing?
Also, if you notice how much scrap there was back there, scrap prices have went up just recently. They've been down forever, and they have finally come back up. Man, they got this yard cleaned out. Look at this. There's like so many empty spots that they could fill right now. The import lot. I'm gonna go up on the hill and see what is up there. Here's the old Mini. I still have it in the bushes. It's about done. So is that. The whole world's over here worried about COVID-19, and we got people working underneath cars like this. It's a 55-gallon drum. Alright, so I searched the whole import yard. So that Impreza is the only one, and it's a hatch, but all the parts I need should convert right over. They're not major pieces. The front fender should be the same. The plastic guards underneath the wheel well, they should be the same. And that window trim piece should be the same. I'm trying to think if there was anything else that I needed. But yes, we're going to get the parts. Yes! Why can't you be intact? Oh. And here's one piece of cat cut off. There's another one cut off. So don't leave me nothing. Just don't leave me anything. I don't need it. Screw it. We're gonna roll without them. Okay. I can see the horizon. Why am I fighting against the others when I can get in it right here? Right there's what I need. I hope it looks the same. Yeah. That back door, I probably could have used that. I don't know if they're the same or not. I think they are, but I probably could have used that back door. Front door, it was already damaged. That's why I bent the front up there. I was like, I'm not even worried about it. The door handles bent in and dented right there, which is still better than my door. This was like the most productive trip I've done in a while. So like happy to do this. Like normally I come out and I might find one thing I need. That fender, although has a little bit of damage here, that is way less than doing the whole fender. That fender is in pretty good shape the whole way around. And this is the same color as my car, which is convenient because it's the only one here. Is there anything else? Nothing. Unless you want a 5-speed transmission. This thing does have some really nice front seats in it. They kind of really got the back seats all dirty and messed up, but the front seats are really nice in this one. So, if anybody needs some Subaru seats, here you go. Since that didn't take me long at all, I've never flown the drone here, and I don't know what they think about it, but let's do it anyways. That was a pretty awesome flight. Yeah, so my drone needs updated. I don't know if I really want to do it right now, but it came up that I need to update it, so I'll do that when I get home. But I need to pick up these parts and go pay for them. I'll let you know what I paid for them when I get there. $63.60. I'm gonna go down here and check out their used car lot. See what they got going on down there. Looked like they had a nice V6 Mustang. So there is an F-150. If that's a 4.6, that's actually a really good motor. They got a couple of them. There's like fleet vehicles. One has toolboxes on it. What are the prices on those? $32.95. That's not bad. Working on a title on that one. That's a decent looking HHR. I mean, if you're into those. These Cadillacs weren't really known for reliability. They do have a Camaro. I mean, look at that. No price on that. It's not bad looking. Is there nothing on it? There's nothing on it. No paperwork or nothing. Not worth stopping to look at. So I'm looking at that Camaro. I come across here, and there is an old
Stingray Corvette and another Camaro with no price on it. And there's also a Cadillac. It's not a CTSV, unfortunately. Not bad. It got a decent selection this time, which is different. It's normally a bunch of junk cars, which I'm not saying they're top dollar cars, but oh man, for $2,500, look at the rims. Oh my God. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that's not a GT. I don't see any GT emblems on it. It's still $2,500. That's not a bad looking Mustang, I guess. So although I got most of the parts I needed, I would still like to find a good grill, and I'd like to find a better trim piece for underneath. I'll deal with that one, but I'd like to find one that's all fully intact. So I'm gonna go looking for one. So we're going to Johnny's! Yay! So unfortunately, here I am at the top of the import yard, and they do not have a single period correct Impreza here. That being said, enjoy this beautiful B-roll footage.
Welcome to the plush life in the Palisades, where the laws don't apply, just get your way. If you need to change your pace from your day to day, bring your bossy over here tonight. And if it's getting too hot, we're gonna keep it cool. Heard a bottle just pop over by the pool. When you hear the bass drop, you know the golden rule. Here's your chance to dance, you better get it right. Turn up the music, baby. Ooh, ooh. We about to lose it, make the news.
Your boy is hungry, and I'm not gonna fly the drone here. I don't recognize any of the people working today, and I don't know if they would say something, so I'm just not gonna do it. The domestic yard looks like it is packed full right now. So, but there's a lot of people here. I don't really like filming around a lot of people that don't know they're being filmed, basically. So I'm not gonna film them. I am hungry, and I need to go to Harbor Freight. But that's going to be the end of this episode. So if you guys like this episode, hit that like button. Consider subscribing. If you do, hit the bell so you get notifications. Hit that dislike button if your wife doesn't allow you to play in the scrapyard. And we'll see you on the next episode of Rust repair. Check. Both sides like that. Look at this bucket.